Hey guys, just wanted to show a video. This is my old Dodge D250, nicknamed Tucky, River Tucky. They yanked the motor out. My fuel system's still there, everything's still there for the most part. This thing would make a mean ass little rat rod truck. Might trade some work for it to get it back. They pulled the motor out, they beat the living shit out of it. All those burnouts are theirs. With this truck, they beat the piss out of it. Finish the exhaust.